Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Students, how are you all? Walaikum salam warahmatullah.
Assalamualaikum.
Yes, students, take out your maths number line book and open page number 54. Shall I start, students?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so last time we were discussing solid shapes, okay? Solid figures, and solid figure are also called 3D figures, okay? 3D shapes, because it has 3 dimensions, okay? Length, breadth, and some thickness also. Fatima Suleiman. Yes, Fatima, do you want to say something?
No, sir.
Okay, so listen carefully. So look here, plane figures are flat figures without any thickness. Okay, I told you that plane figures do not have any thickness. They are flat only. Okay, we can draw only plane figures. Okay, but solid figures are not flat. They are not flat. They are having some thickness. Okay, they are having some height. They have length, breadth, and thickness. Okay, they are having 3 dimensions: length, breadth, and thickness. Look here in this figure, given figure. This is your length. You can say this is length. Okay, this is your breadth, and this is some thickness, or you can say height. So it is having 3 dimensions: 1, 2, and 3. But plane figures have only 2 dimensions: length and breadth. Okay, like this. Okay, this is your length and this is breadth. They are having 2 dimensions only. They do not have thickness. Okay, and we have discussed about faces, edges, and corners in the solid shape. Okay, so what are faces? The surface of solid is called its face. Okay, look at this figure. This is the face. Okay, the blue color, dark blue is the face, and upper part is also a face. Okay, and this is also a face. So this one is having 6 faces. Okay, this figure is having 6 faces: one face back side, and one bottom side, and one on the left hand side. Okay, so total 6 faces are there in this figure. Okay, so what are face? The face where two. Yes, students, the surface of the solid is called its face. So the two faces meet to make an edge. What is an edge? Where two faces meet. Look, this face and this one face, this and this is meeting with this line. Okay, this line. Okay, these two faces are meeting with this line, so this is an edge. Okay, so how many edges are there in this? This is also an edge. This and this faces are meeting at this line, in the segment. Okay, this is also an edge. This is also an edge. Okay, so how many edges are there? Yes, there are 12 edges. Okay, in cube. And what are corners? What are corners? The vertex is the corner of the solid. Okay, where two or more lines meet, called vertex, and you can say corner also. Look, this edge and this one edge is meeting at this point, so this is your corner, or you can say vertex. Okay, one vertex is here, here, here also one vertex. Okay, these all are vertex. Okay, the plural form of vertex is vertices. Okay, if you say this one, vertex. Okay, this is the vertex if you talk about one corner only. If you talk about more than one corner, then you will say vertices. So now look here, first one is cube. Okay, so we'll find out how many corners, edges and faces are there in this cube. So how many faces are there? 6 faces. Okay, this first one, second, third, fourth on left side. Okay, one at back side 5 and one bottom side 6. So there are 6 faces. Okay, you can count you can take any object, cube shape object, and you can count the shapes, count the faces. Okay, so there are 6 faces in cube. Okay, how many edges? Earlier I also told you that there are 12 edges. Edges are these line segment. Okay, 1 2 3 4, okay, 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. So there are 12 edges. Okay, how many corners or vertices? I just told there are 8 corners or vertices. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. These are corners. Okay, 8 corners are there in cube. Okay, now this is the cuboid. Look at the faces of this cube, all are square shaped faces. Okay, square shaped faces are there. And look at the faces of this cuboid, this is having rectangular shape faces. Okay, rectangular faces. So how many faces are there? This is also having 6 faces like cube. Okay, and it is also having 12 edges and 8 corners. Okay, or vertices. So both having same faces, same edges and same vertices. Okay, cube and cuboid both having same number of faces, same number of edges and same number of corners. Now look at this one figure. This is a sphere. Okay, this is like a ball. Okay, like football, basketball, cricket ball. Okay, so all are having a sphere shape. This is not a circle. Okay, circle is a plane shape only, plane figure, but this is a sphere. So how many faces are there? It has only one face, one curved face. Okay, and how many edges are there? Edges are not there in this. Okay, because only one face is there. What I told in the beginning, that what are edges? where two faces meet. Okay, where two faces meet is called an edge, but in this figure only one face is there. Okay, we need two faces to find out an edge, but here only one face, so that's why it is not having an edge. Okay, edge we can find out in cube and cuboid. Okay, like this, these are straight lines. Okay, this is made up of a straight line segment, cube and cuboid. Okay, they are having edges, but in this cube, in this sphere, it is only having one curved face, so it is not having edges. Okay, and how many corners are there? Corners, vertices, you can see here, this is not having any corner, any vertices. Okay, so we will write 0 here. Now let's talk about this cone. Okay, so how many vertex, how many corners are there in this? Only one. Look at the top, only one corner is there. Okay, curved face, this is the curved face. Okay, and this is the flat face, down one. This one is flat face. So how many faces are there? One curved face and one flat face at the bottom, so two faces are there. How many edges? Yes students, one edge is there. Look at this, this curved face is meeting with this flat face by this line, curved line. Okay, I told you that when two faces meet together forms an edge. Okay, so this curved face is meeting this flat face at this. Okay, so this is only one edge, cone is having only one edge. And how many vertices? Only one vertex is there at the top only. Now come on cylinder. So earlier also I told you there are three faces in this. As you can see, the top face, which is flat. Okay, this is the flat face, and this is bottom face, that is also, this is also flat. Okay, two flat faces are there, and in between one curved face. Okay, in between one curved faces, those three faces are there. Okay, now edges. How many edges are there? Two edges. Okay, one this upside, this round edge. Okay, circular edge, one, and one is down. Two edges are there. Okay, because this curved face is meeting the upper circular face. Okay, at this line, circular line. So this is one edge and this is second edge. Okay, so there are two edges. And how many corners? So corners is not there. Okay, any corner is not there, so we write 0. Understood students? The cube and cuboid has same number of faces, edges and corners. Okay, 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 corners. And in sphere, one face, one curved face, edges are not there because only one face is there. And how many vertices? Nothing, 0 vertex. Okay, and in this cone, two faces are there, one flat face, the bottom one. Okay, circular face, and this one upper curved face. So there are two faces only, one this one and one this one, two faces and one edge, this one, this is the edge where this curved face and this bottom face meeting. Okay, one edge and one vertex, the top one, that is the corner. Okay, one corner is there, and in cylinder three faces are there, two flat faces up, this is top face and bottom face and one curved face in between. Okay, so three faces are there, edge, two edges are there, this one edge and down one. Okay, two edges and zero corner. I hope you all have understood this.
Yes, sir.
Everyone understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I understood.
Yes, Mahiba Mustafa, unmute your mic. How many
Yes, sir.
how many how many vertices are there in cylinder? Yes,
Zero.
zero vertices. How many corners are there in cuboid?
Eight.
Very good.
There are 8 corners in cuboid.
MashaAllah. Sayyid Humaydullah.
Yes, sir.
How many faces are there in sphere? Yes,
One.
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 Good. Ashar, Aman Sharif, unmute your mic.
Yes, sir.
Yes. How many faces are there in sphere? In sphere, how
One
many?
face.
Very good. Qudsiya,
Yes, sir.
how many curved faces are there in cone? How many curved faces?
One.
Yes,
Sir, one.
one. How many faces are there in cone? Total faces?
2.
Yes, very good, mashallah. Muhammad bin Conan.
Yes, sir.
Yes, beta. How many faces are there in cylinder?
In
Cylinder.
cylinder. 3 faces.
Three faces, mashallah. And how many vertices are there in cube?
Eight.
Mashallah, very good.
Sir, 8.
Very good. Aisha Shamim.
Sir.
Yes, beta. How many curved faces are there in cylinder?
3.
I'm asking how many curved faces. So three. Yes.
Faces 2.
Curved faces, curved.
2.
No, beta. One curved face are there in cylinder. Two flat faces. Upper part and the bottom part are the flat faces. Both are circular in. Okay. And the middle one is the curved face. So only one curved face is there in cylinder. Okay, one curved face and two flat faces. So total 3 faces are there. Okay, so student, now come on next topic, outlines of solid figures, page number 55. Student, if we trace the outline of the solid figure, we get the plane shape. We get a plane shape. Okay, if you have a cube, okay, if you have a dice or you have a box, if you trace the outline of that object, you will get a plane face. Okay, if you have a cuboidal box, if you trace the line outlines, then what will you get? You will get a rectangle. Okay, you will get a rectangular face. If you trace the outline of cube, because cube has having square faces, okay, so you will get a square when you trace the outline of any cube. Okay, so solid figures can be used to make flat figures. Okay, we can make flat figures using solid shapes. Okay, the solid figures have outlines of some common plane figures. As I told you, when you trace the outline of any uh, solid shape, you'll get a plane shape. Okay, many solids have faces just like the plane figures you have learned till now. Look here, these are the some solid figures. On the left hand side, ball, this is juice box, you can say. This is gift box. Okay, if you trace the line of this ball, you will get a circle. Okay, it is looking like circle, this ball is looking like circle. Okay, and if you see this juice box, yes, it is having rectangular faces, so we'll get a rectangle after tracing the line or outline of this object. Okay, if you look this gift, it is a cube. Okay, and cube is having square faces, square flat faces. Okay, if you trace the outline of this figure, this shape, you'll get a square. And if you trace the outline of a cone, suppose this is a this we have a cone. Okay, if you trace the outline of this cone, you will get a circle, because it is a the bottom part is circular in shape. Okay, that's why you will get a circle if you trace the outline. If you take a cap and trace the outline of that cap, you will get a circle. Okay, like cylinder also, if you have a cylindrical shape like this, so which shape will you get after tracing the outlines of this figure, this object? Yes, students.
Sir, we will get an fish figure.
What you will get after tracing the outline of cylinder? Cylinder.
Sir, we will get
Mashallah, very good. So you will get a circle. Okay, because the bottom faces are circular in shape. Okay, so you will get a circle after tracing the outline of this cylinder. Okay, So student, if you trace the outline of your box, pencil box, which shape you will get?
Pencil box. Pencil box.
Yes, very good. You will get a rectangle if you trace the outline of your figure of your box, pencil box. Okay. Yes, if you trace the outline of a cup, what you will get? Yes, student. If you trace the outline of cup, what you will get?
Circle. Circle.
Mashallah, very good.
Circle.
Yes, circle you will get because from cylindrical shape we'll get a circle only after tracing the outline. Okay. If you have a box, if you trace the outline of your shoe box, so which shape you will get, which plane shape you will get?
Rectangle. Rectangle.
Very good. If you have a dice, so after tracing the outline of dice, what you will get?
Square.
Beta, cube is a solid shape. Okay, dice is in the shape of cube. If you trace the outline, you will get a plane shape only. Which plane shape you will get? Square. Okay, because dice having square shape, square faces. Okay, that's why you will get a square. If you trace the outline of your book, which shape will you get? If you trace the outline of your book, mashallah, very good. Yes. Yes, tell me, if you trace the outline of your birthday cap, what you will get? Which shape you will get? Birthday cap, from birthday cap. Yes. Beta, cone is plain, that solid shape. How will you get a solid shape from Beta, cone, after tracing the outline of cone, you will get a circle only. Okay, the bottom part of the cone is circular in shape. Okay, if you trace the outline, so you will get a circle only, not triangle, not rectangle. Okay. Now come on page number 56. So rolling, sliding and stacking. Our new topic is rolling, sliding and stacking. Yes, many a times we have tried to push a ball, a crayon or a pencil box along the floor. Observation for all these objects are different. Okay? If you push a ball, so the ball will roll. Okay? And if you push a cube shape object, okay, so that will slide only, that can't roll. Okay, the object that have curved face, can roll only, like football ball. Okay, so that can roll only, that is having curved face. Okay, and yes, and some objects can roll or slide also. They can both roll and slide, like cylinder. Okay, if you keep a cylinder like this is the cylindrical shape. Okay, if you push it along this flat face, it will slide only. Okay, if it is lying like this, okay, if the cylinder is lying like this and you are pushing along its curved face, so it will roll only. Okay, means the cylinder can roll as well as slide. Okay, it can both roll and slide, like pencil. If you push the pencil on the flat surface, it will roll only. Okay, are you getting, students?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, bye.
Now tell me, if I have a cube, so if I push the cube, so it will roll, slide. What? A cube can roll or slide?
Slide. Slide.
Yes, very good.
Slide.
A cube can slide only because it is having flat faces. Okay, the figure which has flat face can slide only. Okay, and if the object having curved face, like ball, orange, okay, that can only roll. Okay, and some figures can slide as well as roll, like I give you example, cylinder can roll as well as slide also. Okay, and cone also. If you take a cone, look here, this is a cone. Okay, so it is having one curved face. If you push along its curved face, it will roll, and it is having a flat face on the bottom. Okay, so if we push along its bottom, it will slide only. Okay, okay, if you keep this cone like this, okay, and if you are pushing it on the flat face, so it can slide like this. If you keep this like this, if you are moving, if you are pushing along its curved face, this is curved face, this one, if you move like this, so it can roll. Okay, it means a cone can roll as well as slide. Now see this table, some shapes are given here. Okay, roll, slide or stacks. One stack is also left. What is stacking? Yes, student, If we keep the object one on the other, it is called stacking. Like books, we can put many books one on the other. Okay, so that is stacking. Yes, Ammar Ahmed.
Yes, sir.
What is stacking?
Stacking. When we click on one pillar to the other, it is called stacking.
MashaAllah. Arshan, Mohammed Arshan.
Yes, sir.
What is stacking?
What?
What is stacking? Listen me carefully. If I have a book, okay, I can put other book also on that. I can put it easily. Okay, can I put one ball on the other? Yes, student, can I put one ball on the other?
No, sir.
No, it will fall down.
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. Yes.
Yes, if I have a cylinder like this, yes, look here, students. I have a cylinder. Okay, I can put one more cylinder on it. Okay, like this, and one more I can also put. Okay, I can put many cylinder like this, one on the other. This is called stacking. Okay, now look at this figure. Cube can roll? No, it can't roll because cube has flat faces. Cube has flat faces, that's why it can't roll. Slide? Yes, it can slide. The object which have flat faces can slide. Stacks? Yes, we can put one cube on the other. Okay, yes, we can stack also. Cuboid? No, because cuboid don't have curved face, it has flat faces only, so it can't roll. And it can slide. Cuboid can slide also. Okay, because it is having flat faces, and it is having flat faces, so it can stack also. Okay, we can suppose let's take an example of cuboid book.